Hi, I'm Abe Apt. I'm the Senior Product Consultant for AJA Video. We're here at InfoComm 2026, showing you some of the new cool stuff that we've released over the past few months, past year or so. So over here, right now we're in our IP audio and video section of the booth. This is really exciting right now at InfoComm because what AJA is doing is making this new world of IP video more approachable, more accessible, and less scary to everybody. Because I don't know about all you, but I'm a video guy. I'm not a computer scientist. I don't pull open terminal windows and go do coding and all that kind of stuff, but I do want to get my video from one place to another, and with the advent of IP video, there's a new way of doing things. So what we've announced over the past 6 months or so are a host of new IP video products that really help simplify these IP video workflows. The first one we announced at IBC in 2025, it was the IP25-R. So this is basically a SMPTE 2110 endpoint of sorts. So you've got dual 25 gigabit SFP slots on there for full 2022-7 redundancy, and then it'll take 2110, SMPTE 2110 signals in, and it converts them to baseband, so SDI and HDMI outputs. It is simply an endpoint for your 2110 workflows, to go out to monitors, to go out to a switcher, streamer, anything that you need to send baseband to. Then at NAB, just a couple of months ago, we announced a new firmware update for the IP25R. No cost firmware update, but what it did was it gave it a TX mode. So now, in addition to being an IP25R, it's also a T. So you can just flip it into TX mode, and now you can go SDI into the IP25R and then come out as SMPTE 2110. So now it's a bit of a gateway into your 2110 environment. So super, super cool tool. The cool thing about it is it just works like a video device. You have your video in, you have your video out. We're not trying to get you to do anything esoteric. There's no IT computer projects here. It's just a simple video device that works with this powerful new IP video. And in that same vein, we have another IP tool that we've announced recently. This was announced at NAB 2025 or 2026, and it's now available. It's shipping. It's out there in the wild, and people are doing amazing things with it. It's the rAVe IP. It's the latest member of our amazing bridge family. For those of you who don't know what the bridges do, they're basically enterprise-grade encoder-decoder boxes. And they'll go from baseband to all the different IP formats, so transcode between different IP formats. rAVe IP is the newest one in that it doesn't do baseband video, it takes in SMPTE 2110, allows you to transcode to various different IP formats or go from various different IP formats to 2110, all via a beautiful user interface done by our partners and our recent acquisition at Compromato. So AJA bought a software company, so now AJA and Compromato are going to be able to bring you really, really cool solutions over the next few months, the next year, so stay tuned. Go to AJA's website, aja.com, to have any more information about the IP25R, the rAVe IP, or any of our amazing products, and stay tuned. Lots of cool stuff coming soon.